Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to pay bills on RBC using the ATM. Now it is important to note that ATM functionalities can have slight variations depending on the specific ATM model. However, here's a general accurate step-by-step guide on how to pay your bills at Royal Bank of Canada ATM based on information from RBC. The first thing you need to do is insert your debit card or credit card into the card reader. Next, you have to enter your 4-digit PIN that is your personal identification number. And next, on the ATM's main screen, select the transfer and payment option. From the available options, choose pay bills. Now, you must select a payee. You may be able to select a payee from the list of pre-registered billers. In some cases, you might need to enter a short number associated with the biller. Next, you enter the amount you wish to pay. Choose the account from which you want to make the payment, as this is a checking or savings account. After that, carefully review the payment details displayed on the screen. If everything is correct, confirm the payment. The ATM will process the transaction and you receive a confirmation on the screen. Remember to take your receipt. Don't forget to take your card from the ATM. It's as simple as that. I want to consider the following. Number 1, not all billers may be available for payment through ATMs. Number 2, ensure you are using the RBC ATM. Number 3, always be aware of your surroundings and protect your PIN. For the most detailed and up-to-date information, it's always best to refer to the official RBC website or contact RBC customer service. Hope you find this video helpful.